Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Orange County, to the Heritage Museum of Orange County. It's a 12-acre museum with buildings from the 1890s. We'll check that out today. If it's your first time, please like, please comment, please subscribe, get that algorithm going. So let's go check out the Heritage Museum of Orange County. The museum is open not every weekend, but most Sundays, unless there's events. You can go to the website here, I'll put it in the link. This is the Kellogg House, built in 1898.
Hello.
Hi.
We actually don't allow recording.
Okay.
That's okay.
No worries at all.
Would you like a brochure?
I'm waiting for the tour actually. I'll get one in there, thanks.
Oh, okay. I see.
So you're not allowed to film inside the house. It was very interesting. You can walk around by yourself. It's $10 to get in. It's $15 if you want the tour. It was interesting. The house was not built here. It was moved here in the 80s, as were all of the other buildings from other places in Santa Ana. The house I was just in was the first house to have electricity in Santa Ana, also the first house to have indoor plumbing. It had a basement and 2 kitchens and attic, but the cool part I liked was the centerpiece for the staircase was a ship's mast. It was really cool. This is a farmhouse from 1899. As I was saying, if you are going to come, check out their website first. They have a lot of events, car shows. There's a blacksmith shop here somewhere that's actually open at times, and people come out and smith, whatever you call it, smith. There's also a quilter's cottage over here where people quilt. I have found the blacksmith shop. More buildings here. Museum office. Museum gift shop, which is closed right now. It's open 11 to 3 certain Sundays, but a lot of stuff seems to have closed early today. Hi.
How you doing today?
Well, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
We have a community garden. I guess if you come on certain weekdays, it's full of grade schoolers. The bulk of what they do here is field trips. So it's a lot quieter on the weekends. At least this weekend it is. I have some painting set up for kids today. All the kids have gone home. It is almost 3 o'clock. They're about to close. So if you're down in Santa Ana, you want to see some history, it's fun. Check it out. The house tour is really, really cool. A lot of old stuff. See how people lived in the 1800s. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. And we will see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Oh! Wait! Since you're still here, if you're still here, go ahead and please like, please comment, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.